Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making what we would need to marinate our chicken. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to use for our marination. So we have our 4 chicken breasts. We're going to use some rice cooking wine, some soy sauce, some cornstarch, baking soda, and black pepper. So all these things we're going to use for our marination. This is what we're going to need to make our sauce. We're going to need 2 oranges. We're going to need soy sauce, garlic chili sauce, hoisin sauce, and some sugar. Of course, if you want to make it gluten-free, use a gluten-free soy sauce. We're also going to need 4 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, and some chive. Let's get started getting everything prepared. So we're going to cut up our chicken breast into strips so that we are able to marinate it. I'm cutting the strips very thinly so it can cook faster. Alright, so let's make our marinade for the chicken. So we're going to need to use 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. Again, if you want it gluten-free, make sure you use tamari. We're going to need 4 teaspoons of rice wine. We're going to need 4 teaspoons of cornstarch. You're going to add some black pepper to it, so black pepper to taste. And we're also going to use 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda makes the meat more tender. Right, so we're going to combine everything together and then we're going to set it aside. Alright, so we want to make our sauce. So we need to juice our 2 oranges. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Of course, we add in our orange juice set as well. The sugar, you can adjust that to suit you if you want to add more or less sugar as you wish. And we just want to mix everything together and mix that well. Let's cut up the garlic, ginger, and the chive. So you want to smash your garlic first before chopping it up, and that way the allicin is released. So we have our chive cut up now, we have our ginger. So it's time to cook. So in your wok, you want to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now this is a healthier version of orange chicken as it doesn't require frying. You're going to add in your garlic and ginger and you're going to saute that for about 30 seconds or until it becomes fragrant. We're then going to add our marinated chicken to it. And you want to cook this completely. Okay, now we're going to add our sauce and we're going to cook this till it thickens. At this point, you want to taste for salt and add more if needed. I did add some more salt there. All right, so it's all done, and so now we just stop with our side and we can serve this with rice. Enjoy!